Power Minister Thongam Biswajit has informed the House that evidence suggested recent leakage of heavy fuel from LEIMAKHONG power plant on January 10 was sabotaged by miscreants. The minister was replying to calling attention motion moved by Khundrakpam MLA Lokeshwar and Suknu MLA K. Ranjit on the last day of the 5th session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly. Chief Minister Nongthavam Biren, who also holds the home portfolio, said the incident was carried out deliberately. In this regard, 2 FIRs have been lodged for a thorough investigation, aided Biren. Minister Biswajit said that the heavy fuel power plant is operated with high-speed diesel oil, low-speed oil and furnace oil. However, the project was abandoned in 2012, citing its inefficiency. The power plant consumed more fuel when compared to its output, he said. Following the oil leakage, several experts including IIT Guwahati, Coast Guard Team, State Environment Directorate and Oil Spill Combat Team, in short OSCT Pune, inspected the spillage site on many occasions. As per the report of the sample collected by OSCT on February 27, the percentage of oil in the water is not detrimental to humans, said Biswajit, adding that a DGM was suspended in connection with the incident. He further said the incident is being investigated by an IG of police. Moving their motion, the 2 opposition MLAs questioned the possibility of sudden leakage after many years. They pointed out that the power plant was inaugurated by then President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, in 2002. The MLAs also inquired whether anyone involved in the incident was arrested and also sought a fact-finding report on the floor of the House.
Whether Hariba Posi, State Sarkana Kam, seriously loga have Matamda, Matam the DGM or Mba, do out the suspend. We got to get them to Torino Hakan. I put a finding a malating Toy Buggy like violence, give marks that or Eva Port, Aduga, Spill or Eva Posi, a quick hang the night. Only a quick lady, but Tap and the Bulgarian. She never wake up seriously lower Kanda, Equina, who suspend Ogiva, like Rihanna, Adam Tamzaga, House that Dugal Luna, Quickie, affair, Nasai, Bigara, Habadu, affairs, Anira Tawi, Aqua Amoragna, Aquitang, 12 Tawi, Duga, 13 Damatawi, because Madame the Quickie Lady Posi, Yam the sabotage, Mong the give what Aquina, Varel or Pamadu, Pasanati, Dokadami Marupanga, Mutalaga Matunda, Amana Tawalo, the Bani Habung, and say, Honorable Okeshorna, Habigibu, Maduki Mangjong, Aquina, Hana Tokrabani, Hajima, I Tamzaget.